If you haven't discovered oats and frozen fruit in the microwave, this is for you. And I'm not talking about those little packages. I'm talking about large flake oats and real frozen fruit in your microwave in under 3 minutes. Here's how. Get yourself a nice big deep bowl so that you don't end up with a mess in the microwave. Add half a cup of oats and half a cup of milk or water or a combination. Add that to your bowl, give it a stir, and place it in the microwave at high power for 30 seconds. Then take it out, stir, and repeat until you get it the consistency that you love. In the last 30 seconds, add your frozen fruit to cook through or save it and add at the very end to help cool the food for little ones. It's out of the microwave, and now we get to add our favorite toppings and seasonings. I like a little bit of cinnamon, a little bit of yogurt. Sometimes I like to add nut butter. It just varies. Sometimes it's flavored, sometimes it's not. A little bit of brown sugar. Sometimes I use honey, sometimes I use maple syrup. It just depends. I either use walnuts or coconut flakes, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, hemp seeds, whatever I'm in the mood for. So today I'm gonna add a little bit of hemp seed and some walnuts. Cheers.